I'm Dale Bertrand from Fire and Spark. At our December e-commerce marketing summit, Ryan Folan told us why we should create content that we enjoy. Let's hear it from Ryan.
Content is not hard to create, but it is time consuming. And so what I tell people to do is stop worrying about what type of content to make and first focus on the type of platform that you enjoy, the type of content that you like making. In other words, when it comes to content, do what makes you happy. Because content is not hard, but it's time consuming. And so if you are not creating content that you physically enjoy, that makes you feel good, then you're going to be wasting your time on an activity that makes you miserable. So when creating content, do what makes you happy. Create content that you enjoy. Then you can create content systems, and then you can do it yourself, you can hire somebody, or there can be a combination from it.